If you own coastal property in PBE, Mission Beach, or La Jolla, you might be wondering if rising sea levels are affecting your home's value. Well, here's what the data says. A recent Stanford study found that homes moved into flood zones can lose about 2% of their value. So on $1 million home, that's about $20,000. FEMA also recently updated parts of our coastline to a higher flood risk zone. But in a strong market like San Diego, it's not showing up as a crash. It's more about slower price growth. People still want to live here. What's changing is how buyers look at cost and risk. If you want to know where your home stands, and if it is in one of those zones, call or message me and I'll break it down for you.